Hussein bin Abdul Rahman states that he was sitting beside Sayyid bin Jubair. He asked, "Anyone of you seen the star which broke yesterday?" I said, "I saw it." I again said I was not engaged in the prayer, rather a scorpion had stung me. Said asked, "Then what did you do?" I replied, "I got exorcised." Said asked, "What exhorted you to do it?" I said, "Shabi's Hadith, which he narrated to us." Said bin Jubair asked, "Which Hadith did he tell you?" I replied, "He has reported from Hazrat Buraidah bin Husayb Aslami that exercise is not more beneficial for anything than evil eye and a scorpion's sting." Said bin Jubair said, "Whoso hears a hadith, follows it, has done right." But we heard this hadith from Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "All ummahs were shown to me. So I saw some prophets alayhi salam accompanied by less than 10 followers, and a prophet alayhi salam was accompanied by 1 or 2 followers, and a prophet alayhi salam was unaccompanied. Then I saw a huge party. I conjectured that it was perhaps my ummah. I was then notified that they are Hazrat Moses alayhi salam and his ummah. However, look at the horizon. When I looked, there was again an extremely huge group of the people. I was then apprised that it was my ummah, included such 70,000 people as will enter paradise without being taken into account and tormented." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then got up and went home. Some companions alayhi salam said, "Perhaps they will be the companions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam who were born during Islamic period, and they did not associate any partner with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." In this way, the companions continued giving different opinions until Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came and said, "What are you musing about?" The companions radiyallahu anhum notified him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "These are the people who will neither exorcise nor will get themselves exorcised, nor will believe in bad omen, but will trust only in their Lord Jalla Jalaluhu." Hazrat Okasha bin Mahsan got up and submitted, "You may invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to include me in them." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "You are amongst them." Then another man got up and submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to include me as well in them." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Okasha has preceded you." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 526.